My name is Long & Clock, Global Product Marketer for 3M Scott Fire and Safety. Fireground communications are tough, and noise is constant. We're excited to announce a new collaboration with Motorola to help make your voice heard. New Motorola firmware enables select radios and radio speaker microphones to function as voice amplifiers for the 3M Scott Vision C5 facepiece with radio direct interface, helping to improve intelligibility. This feature is included at no additional charge with new compatible devices sold after October 1st, 2025. Compatible radios purchased before this date can enable this feature by downloading the appropriate firmware from Motorola's Customer Hub.
For this video, we will be using a Motorola APX Series Bluetooth-enabled radio. First, power on the 3M Scott Vision C5 facepiece with radio direct interface by pressing and holding the power button for 3 to 5 seconds. If the facepiece is equipped with our bone conduction headphone, or BCH, you will hear a single beep followed by Bluetooth ready and the battery charge status. Now, switch to your Bluetooth-enabled land mobile radio, or LMR, and locate the device search list. Consult your LMR user documentation for details. Once in the device search menu, locate the facepiece ID and select it using the appropriate button on your LMR. Your facepiece ID will either begin with Scott MSK or be unique to your organization. Once the pairing process is complete, the power button LED will turn solid blue. If equipped with our BCH, the facepiece will also state radio connected.
This is what normal communication sounds like through the voice emitters of the Vision C5 RDI.
This is with the voice amplifier enabled on the Motorola APX Series radio and remote speaker microphone.